Hi, I'm Greg Fallon, Vice President of Design and Manufacturing Industry Strategy and Marketing with Autodesk. I'd like to take this opportunity to discuss how subscribing to the Product Design and Manufacturing Collection enables your business to make better products, sell more, and generate greater profits. In this increasingly digital world, where everything is becoming connected, our customers are experiencing unprecedented levels of globalization, competition, and complexity. This makes it harder for them to conduct business than ever before, and at the same time, creates opportunities to develop new products and services. So, to better meet these challenges and opportunities, our customers must transform their businesses by changing the way they design, make, and sell things, while creating value-added revenue streams. We improved Inventor and created the collections to help our customers address 3 specific industry trends. As the products we make are becoming increasingly complex and customized, end users expect everything to be connected, smarter, and intelligent. This means that the way we make those products must change to embrace highly flexible manufacturing techniques and processes like additive, subtractive, and hybrid manufacturing, as well as robotics, automation, and new materials. The nature of work is changing rapidly. The engineers of today need a broader skill set that connects them to the entire product lifecycle. This means that they need the ability to collaborate much earlier and more effectively, design innovative products, and validate them rapidly, integrate manufacturing considerations into their work, and bridge the gap between the rapidly converging industries of manufacturing and construction. Product Design and Manufacturing Collection enables our customers to introduce design automation into their business and make it available at the appropriate points, freeing up engineers to explore innovative new products using the power of cloud computing and generative design. Seek input on projects earlier digitally and validate both product and manufacturing processes upfront. Continuously balance the optimal mix of integrated, hybrid, and automated manufacturing for the businesses. Deliver an enhanced customer experience to their customers more consistently, make smarter, more informed decisions about how to manage and deploy their resources. By incorporating technologies like advanced simulation with Nastran, nesting, cutting, and machining into one subscription directly inside the Inventor user interface, the Product Design and Manufacturing Collection offers the most comprehensive integrated design and manufacturing solution to date. Capabilities such as engineering automation, multi-CAD handling, design accelerators, electrical design, factory planning and layout, and much more are all available for your engineers in one environment to which our customers can flexibly subscribe. We've also simplified how you access, control, and manage Autodesk software and offer flexible subscription terms to meet your needs. Autodesk remains committed to Autodesk Inventor, the core product in the Product Design and Manufacturing Collection. We are invested in enhancing it as our core product, and we will continue to invest in it, optimizing workflows, adding new functionality, and enhancing performance at an industry-leading level. I again want to thank you for using Autodesk's Product Design and Manufacturing Collection and Inventor as your primary design and manufacturing tool of choice. I look forward to continuing to work with you to ensure it continues to exceed your expectations.